The drawing shown below is formed using only similar right triangles. So it's right here, but it's really hard to see, so I redrew it. It has altitude right there, so we have similar right triangles. So the biggest thing with these type of problems is to first have this written on your paper. So I'm going to rewrite it just to have it, just because the best thing with similar right triangles is having it in front of you. Typically I would say use the paper, but again, this is a computer test, so you can't do that. 12, 13, x, 5. So you could say this is a quick, easy problem. Some may do like the Pythagorean theorem or something like that. But the way I would look at it is draw 3 similar right triangles. The 13 does represent the full length. It does. If it didn't, it would be more represented. So let's draw 3 right triangles. So the first one represents the large one. 1, 12, 5, and 13. That represents the large one. And remember, with similar right triangles, there's only 2 angles. So I'm going to mark it 1, 2, 1, 2. 1 being the top, 2 being the bottom. Let's do the other triangle. Let's do the second one in size. So let's do this. 1 opposite of 1 is x. Opposite of the right angle is 12. Then what we have here, opposite of 2 is y minus 13, because if we count that as y, or 13 minus y, I mean, if you wanted to represent it algebraically, but you don't have to here. Next, our last one, our right triangle. This one, opposite of angle 1 would be y, opposite of 2 would be x, and the hypotenuse would be 5. Our goal is to find x. So easiest one to choose would be this one, this triangle, because that has all 3 parts given, and this triangle. So I'm going to use the parts that are proportional. I set them up so they're similar like we did in class before. So 12 would go with x, so 12 is proportional with x. This is our first triangle, this is our second triangle. So 12 over x, then we need to do another given, 13 over 5. From here we can do cross multiplying. 12 times 5 is 60. X times 13 is 13x. Inverse of multiplication is division, divide. We get x is equal to 60 over 13, which is one of our answer choices. So this one would be B.